Hey guys, it's me, AskPerson2, and today I'm going to figure out what a fox sounds like. What does a fox sound like? Well, I don't know, let's figure that out!
What does the fox say?
Okay, no, not any of that. Maybe this? Okay, no, only wolves make that sound, but just no. Honestly, when the guy in the chair with the book did that noise, it looked like he was choking on something. Let's look and see if that seems right with choking noises over the video. Okay, I'll stop now. I know what a fox sounds like. Sometimes it's a normal fox sound, and sometimes it sounds like a random person screaming really loudly, or it sounds like they're screaming because they're getting murdered or something like that. Like, here's footage of that sound.
There's been a lot of noise, screaming and stuff. You hear that? That's freaky. Oh my god. I was just looking this up. I think it's a fox.
We figured it out. If you know anyone who wants to know what they sound like, send this video to them, please. Well, if you guys like the video, give me a sub. Bye.